How to connect your broker to Tradingview. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to Tradingview. Enter your login credential and sign in to your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this interface. Once you are in here, in the bottom, you'll get to see the option where it says Trading Panel. Click on it. Tons of different brokers will be visible to you. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. Select your specific broker. Let's say this Interactive Brokers is your broker account. The option of Connect will be available to you. Click on it. And then click on Continue. You have to enter the login credential of your broker account. Enter the email address or the username and also the password of your account. Once you have entered, click on Login. Once you click on Login, it will open up your Tradingview account. Now at the bottom, you can see it says Interactive Brokers Live, which means that your broker account has been connected successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can connect your broker account to your Tradingview. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.